am studying grade 1. My school name is JK Public School. The lion capital of Asoka is Nasoyampalam. It has 4 lions standing back to back. It shows power, courage and confidence. It is sprint